Imagine a world with no hunger, no predators, no disease. A perfect paradise where every single need is met instantly. It sounds like heaven, doesn't it? In 1968, a scientist named John Calhoun built this exact world. He called it Universe 25, but he made a terrifying discovery. When you give a society everything it wants, you don't create a utopia, you create a graveyard. Dr. Calhoun wanted to play God. He built a massive enclosure designed to hold thousands, unlimited food, unlimited water, perfect climate control. He introduced 4 breeding pairs of healthy mice, and he waited. It was designed to be the happiest place on Earth, a box where suffering was mathematically impossible. At first, it worked beautifully. The mice were in paradise. The population doubled every 55 days, 20, 40, 100, 600. It was the golden era. Mothers were caring, the young were playing. It looked like the experiment was a massive success. The box was filling up with life, but they didn't realize the walls were closing in. Then, the numbers hit a critical threshold. Even though there was enough food, there wasn't enough space. The mice had nowhere to go to be alone. Social roles collapsed. Young mice were exiled to the center of the pen. They were rejected, attacked, and forgotten. The paradise turned into a pressure cooker. Calhoun called it the behavioral sink. The society went insane. Hyper-aggressive males formed gangs that would rape and kill without provocation. Mothers stopped caring for their babies, often abandoning them or eating them. The connection between them was severed. It was total anarchy, fueled by abundance. Amidst the violence, a new group emerged. Calhoun called them the beautiful ones. These males withdrew from society completely. They didn't fight. They didn't breed. They didn't help. All they did was eat, sleep, and groom their fur. They were physically perfect, shiny and healthy, but socially, they were dead. They were ghosts in a living body. Eventually, reproduction stopped entirely. The population crashed. Even when the numbers dropped back down to safe levels, the survivors didn't know how to be mice anymore. They had forgotten how to mate, how to parent, how to connect. They simply lived out their days in silence until the very last mouse died. Universe 25 wasn't just about mice. It was a prediction. Calhoun believed that when a population becomes too crowded and life becomes too easy, the spirit dies before the body does. We are currently living in the most crowded, resource-rich time in human history. Look around you. Do you see the beautiful ones? Do you see the sink? We are observing the glitches, and we are preparing for what comes next. If you want to survive the sink, you need to be part of the resistance. Hit subscribe. Join the Enigma.